everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. So today I just thought I would share with you my bedroom all set up for Christmas. I went with a ticking stripe, red and white ticking stripe theme to this year's setup, and I'm really liking it. So starting off, when you walk through the door here, we have this little area. And all I have here, I've just got a little light up Christmas tree on the top there. The little book stack was a DIY I did on my channel. If any of the decor is a DIY project, I will link the video down in the description box below. So if you want to check out how to do those, they'll all be there. So just have a little lantern sitting on top of those and a couple of little Christmas ornaments as well. And then next to that are my DIY vintage suitcases that have always been there. And I just have a little basket with a fluffy throw rug in there and a little love heart. So moving above this little area, those are a couple of wall decor projects I did on my channel. And this latest one, the little banner here, was a DIY that I think maybe have just gone up before this video. I just used some ticking stripe fabric as well as printing off some letters on music sheets to spell out the word Merry Christmas. And then I've just added a little Christmas ornament here. That used to be, I think, gold, and I've just painted it black and just added a bit of a berry sprig there. So that's that little area. So this is my wardrobe, which I keep all my bed linens in. Nothing too Christmassy there. This is where I've hung my little cookie cutter DIY project. I'm really happy with the way they've turned out. They are super cute. And then coming back this way, in this little area is where I have put my little candy canes that I gave a makeover to. Trying to get it so the light's not shining and making it dark. So just on the chair, I've just got a throw pillow that's sitting in like a little galvanized tin and a burlap Christmas ornament there. Not sure where I got that burlap ornament from, to be honest. Those are my candy canes that I made over, wrapped them in some red and white ticking fabric, and I really like the look of those. So moving over to my dressing table area, I just have this stand here. I actually bought a couple of these. There was two of them, and I actually bought them as garden decor, but I'm really liking them in my house just to hang things on. And when it's not Christmas, I'm going to try and find a little bird cage that will hang in there as well and just put some decorative things in it. So for now, just what's hanging off that was just a little sprig that I made up, attached a little burlap bow and a bell to, and just hung it from that little wire frame. And then here's my dressing table. So I'll start up the top here. Up the top, that frame there was a little DIY I did on my channel using music sheets. And that frame's always there with other pictures in, and I just sort of change them out for the seasons basically. I've just got a couple of pine cones, some little Kmart trees and a lantern sitting there. And then on the next shelf down, I just have a little burlap Christmas tree with a pine cone and a bird sitting underneath it, and then a little sleigh with some pine cones and just some red baubles sitting in there as well. And then on my dressing table itself, the only Christmassy thing I have done is just swapped out my picture that's normally in there. I think there's normally a rose or a white rose or something in there. So I've just found an image on the internet that I liked and just printed it off and put it in the frame. And it sort of kind of matches the color scheme of that candle as well. So that's my dressing table. And now to my bed, which I am super happy with the way it's all turned out. I really, really love it. So starting off on the bed, the throw rug there was a purchase from TK Maxx here in Australia on my recent Christmas haul. The 2 grain sack cushions are a DIY that I did on my channel, and I'll leave a link for those. And what I've done here, this was also a project I did on my channel with, I did a couple of little Christmas DIY projects using red and white ticking stripe. So this is just like a half, it's basically a cheat pillowcase. It's just half a pillowcase, just stuck on the end basically to give you the ticking stripe effect on either side. My husband's one is on the other side as well, just so that there's a bit of red poking through. On my dressing table itself is this little image again I just found on the internet, printed it out and replaced the picture that was in there. So I've got a few pictures behind all those and I just change them out for the seasons. And I just have a little berry sprig there that was from Kmart. I'm burning my sexy man candle from Hollywood Home and Gifts. It is here at the end of the house. Like our house is about 35 meters long. This is at one end and I can smell it all the way down to the other end of the house. It is just amazing. So beautiful. And above the bed, and then next to the bed, we've just got our little, what do you call those? Jute rugs. Then above the bed on my mantle, I have a few little fairy lights going across. That is my ticking stripe and drop cloth wreath that I did on my channel. I've replaced the picture there with a little Christmas picture. The 2 reindeers were part of the music sheet DIYs that I did on my channel. And the other frame there is always there. The pine cones just from nature. All this greenery here, this was all Kmart, and the berry sprigs were Kmart. And the little Christmas tree was part of the ticking stripe DIY projects. And the cotton ball at the end was from Target, I believe. And then those candle holders were from the reject shop a long, long time ago. I haven't seen them since. So that is my bed set up. On my husband's side, he's also got his little jute rug. And again, we've just swapped out his picture in the frame for a little vintage one that I found again on the internet. And then I've just put a couple of cotton stems and berry picks in his little vase there to give it a Christmas feel. And then over on this side, I've just got my little ladder here, and I haven't done much with this. I've just hung some spare ticking stripe fabric over the rung there just to give it a bit of a red pop. Put a few little berries in that little basket. This was also part of my music sheet DIY video, and that lavender plant is always there. So that is pretty much it for my bedroom this year. I haven't done anything in the bathroom specifically. I've just got a new little towel hanging up there, which was from Kmart, and I quite like it. Have all my Lush stuff there ready for my bath, and some Body Shop products there. But yeah, nothing Christmassy in my bathroom. This is always there. And then on my sink, I have, again, all my Body Shop and Lush purchases on my little tiered shelf ready to use. So there you go guys, my Christmas bedroom tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out the other 2 videos on the screen now if you want some more Christmas DIY decor ideas, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.